Alright, y'all, it's Privateer. Okay, hold on. Let me get out it this way. Probably see it a little bit better. Alright, that is a mix of all that soil I broke up, which really ain't a whole lot, but it's enough. All along here, mixed in leaf debris, grass debris, lawn clippings, all that good stuff, plus the soil. Got the potatoes planted. Well, more potatoes anyway. Working with what I got for the time being. Now I will, as they grow, I will be adding a layer of straw, manure, topsoil, peat moss, all that. Picking all that up in a couple of days before I leave. Don't have the soil already, so I use what's here. And those piles right there, and there, they're doing all right, I guess. But let me tell you, trying to clear that out, this is how hard that soil is, or this ground is around here. I have a tiller that was serviced before I used it. From there, right about where that stick is, to about there, I was running the tiller back and forth, and I kid you not, it blew a seal out on the tiller. Now, whether that means the tiller was already going to have a seal problem, I don't know. But I know that I mean, I ran a tiller on the ground, y'all. And it just barely, that's only a few inches. It's like 3 inches at most. From grass to down here. Yeah. Blew the seal out on the tiller, so I had to hand do all this. Which doesn't look like a lot, but when you're dealing with brick, or sorry, red clay, brick, same thing. Yeah, that's what you get. I ended up having to use my trapper's axe to bust up some of the dirt because the hoe and the 3-tine fork and the hard rake were just having a very difficult time, so I had to break out my trapper's axe, bust up the ground a good bit. Lord have mercy, I'm gonna get these daggone skeeters out of this backyard. Anyway, got more taters going. That's what is it, 14? No, it's 12. 12 put in from that little stick right there up. And I figured, what the hell? I put one there, and one there. So it's a total of 15 in this row, 16, 17 white potatoes. I will be putting in onions and sweet potatoes. I just have to find sweet potatoes that have, I want to find those same castaways or whatever that other one was that I found that I'm using for these. Because these, when I bought the ones that are in the ground, all the ones that are in the ground are, they had eyes coming off of them already. But yeah, Privateer, you use what you got around you to start what you can start. Until you can get where you want to be, you use and do what you can. Y'all have a blessed day.